Hello, so it's been a while since I picked up the camera for YouTube. It's 2026 already. I mean, I can't believe time is going so fast. Basically, this video is about getting my emotions together because I feel like I started 2026 on a wrong foot. I mean, basically, I was locked in before the New Year's, and even after the New Year's, I've been working out regularly, taking care of me, taking care of my skin, eating healthy. So, yeah, not basically wrong foot, but everything just feels very overwhelming for now. And because everything happened so fast, like 2026 began, everybody started locking in, this, that, blah, blah, but I just feel very overwhelmed because of all of this. And now I just feel like I need to carry things on my own pace. I need to move at my own pace because I feel like everything is just all over the place. So yeah, this video is gonna be more about moving at your own pace and be more grounded and just stay in the moment and doing more activities that will help me mentally because I just feel very mentally and physically exhausted. Yeah, right now I'm gonna go for a haircut because I feel like hair holds so much and cutting your hair gives you a new start. So we are gonna do that. First I have to go for face waxing and stuff, and after that I'll go for a haircut. This is gonna be as raw as possible. I mean, if you feel good physically, then you're also gonna feel good mentally. So we are gonna do some skincare, mask and stuff. So for now I'm gonna go for the haircut and waxing, and then we'll see what we'll do afterwards. Okay, so we are also gonna clean our room after coming back because a clean room gives you a clear mind. Quick fit check. I'm wearing these black pants with a black top with a black cap. You can't go wrong with an all black fit. Hello, I'm back and this is what the hair is looking like. I'm in love. I just feel so new. I just feel so good and the hair looks really good. I'm obsessed. I just feel like a princess. My god, it looks so pretty. Okay, so I'm back and now we have to clean the room. It's a mess and I'm very tired right now, but let's just get it done and not crib about it. Guys, just look at it. Okay, we'll clean it up, but I have some college work to finish. I'll finish it quickly and then I'm gonna get up and clean my room. Just finished my college assignment and I'm really tired. But we gotta do what we gotta do. I'm really hungry, so I'm thinking I'll cook something. After that, we're gonna start the cleaning. The eggs are done. I did not even bother to take them out on a plate because I'm just so tired. I usually balance this out with some carbs on the side. For carbs, I usually toast some bread, but today it was not there and I did not even have the energy to bring it. So we are just gonna have eggs. Lately, I don't know, I just have been feeling very overwhelmed and like this year was the first year in which I did not make a mood board because I have been doing mood boards from the past 3 years now, 3 to 4 years, but it just felt very overwhelming. Yeah, I'll make it on my own pace. It's not like that you have to just make it before the new year starts. It's always about when you feel like it, because I don't want to make it with a bad or overwhelming intention. I'm just gonna make it when it feels right, and that's what matters to me more. I mean, do things whenever it feels right, whenever you feel like putting intention to it. Yeah, I don't know, this year time has been going very, very fast, and everything just feels very out of place. So, yes, whenever it will feel right, maybe I'm just gonna make it after 1 or 2 days. I'm getting to feel very grounded, and yeah, I've been focusing more on myself. I have been taking care of my health, mentally, physically, emotionally. I'm gonna include the mood board in this video, I guess, if I'll make it within 2 to 3 days. Otherwise, I'm just gonna do it afterwards. This year, I feel like my intention is to not just say that I'm gonna do things, but work on them instead. Like, go and execute them any which ways it turns out, but the goal is to complete it. I'm gonna put more energy into doing things, put more energy into action rather than thinking about it, talking about it, discussing about it. This year, it's just thinking done. Thought came into my mind, just execute it. Something just popped up in my mind, execute it. Don't overthink about it, just do it. That is how it is going to be in 2026, because thinking is exhausting, and if you're just thinking and not doing it, what's the point? So, yeah, that's it for now. I'm just gonna stop yapping, finish my food, and get back to work. At this point, I can't even survive without this. Let's get started. I'm just gonna play some songs to hype myself up. Cleaning to item songs just hits different. I don't want to get copyright, so I'm just gonna mute the audio and I'll attach another music on top of it. But I'm listening to item songs while cleaning. So, yeah. We're gonna organize the wardrobe first. Okay, I'm gonna pause the music for a while. I have a question. I got this cute aesthetic uh, hand wash holder, okay, and I've been trying to open this up for so long. It's just not. What the fuck? I literally got it 6 months ago, and I tried opening it like 2 to 3 times, and then I just gave up. And today, randomly, I'm making a video, and I tried opening it. Now it's open. Wow. Never mind. I was gonna crib about it, but it's fine. Let's get back to work. Good morning, you guys. This thing I need to get it washed, so I'm just gonna let it sit there for a while. I'm having chia seeds with water without brushing my teeth, so it's good for your gut. I usually soak it for like 10 minutes. Yeah, I'll drink this, then I'll go brush my teeth, I'll freshen up, and then I'm thinking of making my vision board today, so we're gonna do that. I mean, this vision board needs to go now. We'll get ready for the day and then get started with the vision board. Now that I look at it, I have achieved a lot of things from my vision board. Okay, so first of all, my motto for 2025 was the luckiest girl, and I feel like I have been the luckiest girl. You guys won't believe like what all universe just got me, because my mindset was I'm lucky, I'm lucky, I'm lucky. I get it every time. I get things that I want. I am so lucky that everything happens with me happens for a reason. I'm just very lucky at everything. So this was my motto for 2025, and I feel like yes, I was the most luckiest girl in 2025. Achieved a lot of things that year. So yeah. Also, I'm the rich woman. I made a lot of money. 2025 was mostly working on myself, hence the gym pictures and also Pilates. I also tried Pilates this year, and I might continue, not might, I will continue Pilates in 2026 as well. It's mostly about the progress. You don't have to put things that you want to achieve. Like, you have to put things that you want to achieve, but rather focus on the progress. Focus on the process, like how you're going to achieve those things. Like, I wanted a clear skin, so I'll eat healthy, I'll work out, I'll drink a lot of water. So that is mostly what pushes me to reach to my goal. Hence, I attract opportunities. I did attract a lot of opportunities in 2025. I took care of my skin. I took care of what goes into my body. I also made really cool friends this year. I also focused on reading novels. Obviously, the content creation, I have been making videos, and then I also did a couple of shoots. I also went to some cool places. I also took care of my peace and meditated a lot. Also, I got myself a new phone and a new laptop. I have this same night suit now. Also, yeah, I feel like these are the small things that pushes you to achieve great things in life. So this year I'm gonna make the vision board today, because I did not feel like making it in the start of the year. As I told you guys, it was very overwhelming for me. So I feel like today is the day that we are gonna set our intentions for 2026. I'm super hungry, so I'm gonna cook something first, and then we're gonna sit and look out images for the mood board. This looks so yum. So I'm quickly gonna eat while I find some pictures for my vision board. But first, taste test. This always slaps. Okay, so I got the pictures that I need to get printed out for the vision board, and now I'm gonna go to the gym. Okay, let's get dressed. Hello guys, I'm not gonna lie, but it's been a while since I shot that video. I don't know, it's just too much. As I wanted this video to be raw, so I'm just gonna put myself out there, even if I'm, yeah, I mean, that was the point. If I don't feel like recording, I'm not gonna do it. If I don't feel like doing something, I just won't simply do it. So I wanted to be as raw as possible. Basically, I was planning on making the vision board next day, but I did not feel like it. I did not feel the vibes. And it's been 3 to 4 days since then. I still do not feel like making my vision board for some reason. I feel like it's just not the right time for me to set out an intention for this year. But okay, I'm not gonna contemplate it more. Just made my mind that I'm gonna finish the mood board tonight. So to feel fresh, I just took a shower. This is what my room is looking like right now. I I'm loving the vibe, so I'm just gonna get into it because from the past 3 days I was not even feeling it 1%. But today I felt like I need to make the vision board, I need to set my intentions for the year. So I'm not gonna procrastinate it more. To set the vibes, I'm gonna play some slow music, light up some candles, and then get on with it. This is literally my favorite candle. It's Cactus Blossom from Bath and Body Works. It smells amazing. Let's also play some high vibrational music. Where do I keep you guys so that you can also see what I'm working on? I literally have no clue what's going on. What's wrong? I mean, why is the universe not letting me create my vision board in peace? I just got a notification that my SD card was full, so it stopped recording. Then I thought of transferring all the videos to my laptop, and I saw that even the storage in my laptop is full. I end up creating more space in my laptop, deleting more stuff, and it's been like half an hour. Okay, but I am adamant that I'm gonna make my vision board today for sure. Like for sure. While I was transferring all the media, I kinda cut some pictures. And yes, we are gonna make the vision board today. Period. This room smells amazing. Kinda started running by the end of 2025. Running is not a strong suit of mine. I hate running. I feel like running is the worst cardio you can ever do. But I recently am kind of enjoying. Maybe because I went there with my friends. We all woke up 5 a.m. in the morning and went for a run. And after that, I also continued it for 3 to 4 days. So yeah, I really want to continue running in 2026. So that explains this picture. Pilates I did start in 2025, and I'm gonna take this with me in the new year as well. I love how it has shaped my body. I mean, I lift heavy and I also do Pilates, and I'm loving the result it's giving me. Now I am. Bruh, what is happening? My camera just fell. Oh my god. Why is it happening like that? I have a good news to share with you guys. I am going for Paris Fashion Week. Basically, I'm interning there. I also kind of included that in my vision board because I don't know, I feel like I've been manifesting Paris from the last year and it is finally there. So I just wanted it to be on my vision board. This is something I'm really excited for. So you are the brand. This year I really want to put myself out there as a brand, not just an influencer or a content creator. I want to create an identity rather than just creating content. A lot of being in the moment quotes like stop rushing, start living. Even consume less, create more. I genuinely want to build a community instead of just people watching me and not remembering me. I really want to help you guys out. I don't know, in a way that watching my content really helps you out. Yeah, I want to talk to you guys as friends. I want you guys to feel that you're talking to a friend whenever you're watching my videos. So I really genuinely want to build a community where we all feel safe around each other. I really also want to show you the raw parts. So I'm gonna try building a community like that. So my camera died. This is what my 2026 is gonna look like. If you'll see my last year's vision board, this one is so different. First of all, there is nothing materialistic in this. It's not like I don't want materialistic stuff, but this year it's just I want to focus more on myself, more on my growth. So I wanted to put that energy out there. But obviously, money is there. But not specific things that I need. Last year I also added a lot of numbers in the sense that I wanted to hit a specific target on YouTube, or I wanted to hit a specific number of followers on Insta, YouTube and stuff. But this time I've added nothing. Reason being, I don't want to focus on numbers this year. I just want to focus on building a real community, not another platform, but a real community. Just want some genuine connections and yeah, a genuine community for real. That's it for the video, I guess. I am feeling less overwhelmed now. I feel like when I started the video, I was all over the place. But now I feel a lot better. I would call that a success. So, see you guys in the next one. Good night.